Hi, I'm Paul. We are doing Leetcode must-know interview questions. Today's challenge is +1. This is rated as easy, and actually this is about as easy as they get. You are given a large integer. What does that mean? Let's look at the constraints here. Could be up to 100 digits. Okay, could be up to 100 digits. So the integer is represented as an integer array, digits, where each digit in the array is a digit of the integer. The digits are ordered from most significant to least significant, left to right. Does not contain any leading zeros. All right, increment the, where is my pen here? Increment the large integer by 1 and return the resulting array. All right. In most cases, you can see that from the examples here, this is pretty easy. So if you had an array like 1, 2, 3, you would increment it to 1, 2, 4. If you had 4, 3, 2, 1, you would increment it to 4, 3, 2, 2. Now, the last example is a special case. But first of all, let's say there's a special case and then there's a special case. The special case would be if a digit is 9. Okay, so let's pick a number with some 9s in it. Like let's say here's the array, and it has 1, 9, 9. All right. If this first digit here is anything but a 9, just add 1 to it and return the array. But if it is a 9, what we're going to have to do is take it out, is replace it with 0, and then go to the next number. Now, if that digit is also a 9, the same thing applies. That is, that we replace it with 0. And then we go to the next number. Now, the next number is not a 9, so now we're back on familiar ground here where we just increment the numbers. So if we had 199, we would go to 200. But the example 3, really what we want to pay attention to here is if all the digits are 9. So that could be 9 or 99 or 999. But in that case, we're going to wind up with an array that is bigger than the input array. So we have to handle that as a special case. And you know what? Actually, let's just illustrate how that works. I mean, if the array were 9, 9, 9, we would iterate through it. We would realize what our situation is, and we would declare a new array, which is 1 larger than the current array. And what we would do is we would place a 1 in the high order. We would place a 1 in the what we're calling the high order digit. Now, if we declare an integer array, it should initialize to 0, meaning that these would already be zeros. And so we just need to declare the array and put a 1 in index 0. All right, so let's look at an implementation. All right, so for int equals, now you notice when we did the walkthrough that we started with, what are they calling it here? Most significant to least significant, left to right. Okay, so we started with what they're calling the least significant digit, but that's actually the last element in the array. So we don't start with I equals 0. We start with digits dot length minus 1. So that's the that is the least significant digit. And we are going to go as long as I is greater than or equal to 0 and decrement I. All right, if digits I is less than 9, well, basically we're done at that point. We would just do digits I, increment it, and return it. Okay, it's possible that that digit is a 9, in which case we would replace it with the 0. And then we would go through the loop again. Similar to the example like with 199. As long as we're seeing 9s, just replace them with 0s. Eventually we hope to get to a number that is not 9, and then we would do this, just increment it and return. But it's possible that we get through the whole thing and we didn't return because all the digits are 9. So in that case, we need a new array. Integer array, we'll call it answer. That is going to be a new int array of length. It's going to be close to this. Let me copy that. Of length, digits length, plus 1. Now, Java should initialize that to 0s. So all we need to do is say the most significant digit is a 1, and then return this new array. Okay, let's try it out. Compile. Wait, whoa. Oh, I see. Yeah, it would be nice to give that a name. For int I, right, hope that took care of everything. All right, and move over here and submit. And that's it. Easy. All right. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please feel free to like, subscribe, comment, and see you next time.